no haka jing ipo ipeng haka si balang jong katayo haka bala penlong yaki program baper ke bala kring yaki pa ba syakane katamasa jong kinong thokon ki ba paunam jong karhi
ya ke Shillong Literary Festival kabla Sngi lapen kot no apeng jing ipo ipeng ha kaba lapen kot daka hak arpo trik nai biang arajar arpusau kabla eno ekadak kabamla pan pendam ki do nod jigiriu it thokot nakalengkari Habakran kan Sngi unong mi kmat jong Turkey ufirat sunal unong thokot bapa ulong baga thok katar ke sur jong baro ki bawan haswa jumi bat kedo baga megalaya kalapni ke jing shim kya joka nagbenta banyadai ke pateng tenrai jongka Ulero ru ekasap ruai ke baga jela kadon bat khot ginong ruai trai jela banwan ruai ha Turkey Menteri Ketenaga Jongokai Pertai ke jela ba polengdo ulong baga Shillong Literary Festival ka day katamasa kabajap tam haru mentah ka Sngi penkut jong kane ka festival kalaplia daga the Lighthouse Family kujing ekran ka Beij bad ambassador Sunal walaupun ya de usba serial video dengdo director Ketenaga Jongokai Pertai ke jela Meghalaya Hagani Sngi lapen longru ikujing ekran hapeng kinong tho Samrat Chaudhuri bad Mitra Pukan hagani kujing elang ka Shillong Literary Festival kablalong hanan pelok ayo bansaki kujing dan lang jing nong tho novel kinong tho kot papau nam kom ke shobhade bat Jerry Pinto bat kibai rengkat bat kirupau kumat akathok katar u Vikram Set rengkat bat melung bapau jang jala Meghalaya u Dr. Ken Pham Singh no kendri Hagani Sngi kot kipat ba kiba leshim benta hakane ka literary festival li omansaki kijing ruai ni kaitor bapau kejela rengkat kijing pensya obiet na kaple jang ka kenhon Mama Mia jang ka St. Edmund School
Honey, honey, nearly kills me. Honey, honey. I've heard about him before. I wanted to know some more. And now I know what they mean. He's a love machine. Oh, he makes me dizzy. A love machine? That's nothing. Honey, honey, let me feel it. Honey, honey. Honey, honey, don't conceal it. Honey, honey. The way that you kiss goodnight. The way that you kiss me goodnight. The way that you hold me down. The way that you hold me down. I feel like I wanna sing when you do your thing. So this guy Sam's your dad? Well, not exactly. Sam told Mum he was going home to get married. Typical bloody man. I know. But look, August 4th, what a night. I was still feeling depressed about Sam when after the show, Bill rented a motorboat and I took him over to the little island. One thing led to another and ... Bill? What a night. Harry turns up out of the blue, so I said I'd show him the little island. I must need my head examined, but it was so sweet, I couldn't help it, and ... Yes, the sperm donor has a name. Well, 3 names, Sam, Bill, or Harry. And they're all arriving for the wedding? Yes. Oh my god, do they know? Well, what do you write to a total stranger? Come to my wedding, you might be my dad? No! They think Mum sends the invitations. And after what's in here, I'm not surprised they all said yes! Honey, honey, love me, baby. Honey, honey. Honey, honey, touch me, baby. Honey, honey. Yes, I want the perfect wedding and I want my dad to give me away. Well, let's hope it's a wide aisle. But you've got to keep Mum out of the way. She mustn't know what I'm doing. She's bound to find out sooner or later. Well, I'm not having Mum frightening them off before I've gotten to know them. And with any luck, I'll know my dad straight away. Yeah, and what if you don't? Then I've got 24 hours to find out. Honey, honey, how you thrill me. Honey, honey. Honey, honey, nearly kills me. Honey, honey. I've heard about you before. I wanted to know some more. And now I'm about to see what you mean to me.
Well, this is going to be my jackpot, girls. I need a break. I need a holiday. I've been running this place for 15 years and I've never had a day off.
see you've broken a feather. I hope we can patch it up together. She could tease how you and I know. How the heartaches come and they go, and the stars they're leaving. You'll be dancing once again, and the pain will end. You will have no time for grieving. She could tease how you and I cry. For the sun is setting, the sky is shining above you. Let me hear you sing once more, like you did before. Sing a new song, Chickatita. Like I did before. Sing a new song.
So, Dad, who's Dad? Sophie's. You know how I always said it was Sam, the architect, who ran away from home to get married?
Oh, typical bloody man.
Well, I'm not sure that it was him. You see, there were a couple of others.
Donna Sheridan, you duck horse!
You shady lady, why didn't you tell us? I didn't think I'd ever have to. I didn't think that all three would be sitting in my bar right before the wedding.
What?
In the bar? I have to see them. Donna, where are they?
Donna, are you sure?
Of course I'm sure. You think I'd forget my daughter's three dads? Sam Carmichael, Bill Austin, Harry Headbanger.
Oh, not.
Ye gods, why have they all turned up now? It's like some horrible trick of fate.
Well, it is very Greek. Wait, hold on. Do they know?
No, I never told anyone. I mean, why are they here ruining Sophie's wedding?
Well, Donna, come on, be fair. They didn't know she existed.
They don't need to know. I've done a bloody good job of raising Sophie all by myself, and now look.
Tonight is a male-free zone at the hen night. And tomorrow, Tanya and I will take them fishing.
Fishing?
Oh, please. Ugh.
Well, what do you suggest we do with 3 men?
Now, that does take me back.
Oh God, you dumb bat! Why didn't you tell us? Oh, I guess this just about serves me right.
Oh my God. You sound just like your mother.
I do not.
Yeah, you do. Whatever happened to our Donna, the life and soul of the party, El Rock Chic Supremo?
Oh, she grew up. That's all.
Well, then grow back down again. You've done nothing to be ashamed of.
Yeah.
Screw them if they can't take a joke.